Today we're making unicorn poop cookies. Here are the things you'll need.
1 bag of sugar cookie mix, 1 stick of butter, 1 egg,
3 tablespoons of flour, a mixing bowl and mixing spoon, baking pan, and you'll also need food coloring and rainbow confetti. Now let's get started. First we're gonna put the sugar cookie mix into the bowl.
it's all in there.
Then we're gonna add the flour.
We've melted a stick of butter, so we'll put that in. And then we'll add our egg.
Now we're gonna mix until well blended.
Want help? What's that?
Sure, Kuya, here. We've divided our dough into 6 equal parts.
Then we'll dye each one with a different color of the rainbow.
This one's gonna be red. This one's gonna be yellow, and this one's gonna be blue.
This one's going to be green, this one's going to be orange, and this one's going to be purple. Now that we're done dyeing them, we can start shaping them into unicorn poop.
We're gonna divide each one into 3 equal pieces.
You want me to cut yours, Alyssa?
Yes, please. We've rolled each piece into a row, and now we're gonna stack it on top of each other and twist. Now that we're done shaping our unicorn poop, we can start decorating them with rainbow confetti.
We're going to bake these cookies in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden.
Bye, unicorn poop. See you in 10 minutes. Took 50 minutes to cook, and here they are. We're gonna let them cool before we taste them. You could add more rainbow confetti if you would like. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Test.
So good. Today we're making unicorn poop cookies. Today we're making unicorn poop cookies. First we're gonna put the sugar. First we're gonna pour the sugar cookie. Now that we're done,
We're going to bake these cookies in a 350-degree oven or until the